Hey guys, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing another grapevine wreath tutorial of how I put this together. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this wreath. It has everything you need for summer and it is just gorgeous. I just love everything that I put together, and grapevine wreaths are not hard to do. So let me show you how I did it. The base of my wreath is an 18-inch grapevine wreath, and these are the greeneries that I'm going to use. This greenery I really like, and it is from Walmart, and then the rest of them came from Hobby Lobby. These flowers are so pretty, and I think they're perfect for the summer wreath. These asters are from the Dollar Tree. This sunflower bouquet I got from Walmart, I think last year, and these Tweedia are from the Dollar Tree. Now, I hand painted this sign, guys, and I do have a video on that. I will leave a link here in the video so that you can check that out if you would like to. To attach the sign to my wreath, I drilled holes in each of the four corners, and then I attached to the wreath with just some black wire. Okay, so I used my picks machine, and I put a steel pick on the end of each greenery stem, and then I dip that in hot glue, and then I just stick it in between the twigs of the grapevine wreath. This holds up really good. I live in Texas. I have never had a wreath fall apart. So this holds really good. Just stick it in between those twigs because it will hold it together. Now, this greenery has so much texture and so many different fun things to it. I just love the greenery fern look, and it has some, different colors. And so I just do the same thing. I put a steel pick on the end, and then I hot glued it into my wreath, just in between everything. For me, the many layers of different textures of greenery, the different colors really add so much character to your wreath. So things that are wispy and things that are, sticking out, and they're, going different shapes really add so much character to your wreath. So I've taken pieces of this greenery, added a steel pick, dipped it in hot glue, and added that to my wreath. Now, for my flowers, I did the same thing as far as adding a steel pick on each flower, and I just stuck them, just dry stuck them, because I wanted to make sure that I like the look. And then now I'm going to go back and I'm going to hot glue the flowers into the wreath the same way that I did the greenery. I make sure that I get some glue on that steel pick, and then I stick it in between the twigs. I'm leaving that part at the top because that is where I'm adding a bow. And I know I didn't get it here on film, but I just did a loop bow. Just kind of, I've showed them in my other videos. I wasn't quite sure how it was going to turn out, but I did add a burlap bow, and then I added some gingham on top of it. Now I also added some little mini gingham bows around the wreath, so I'm kind of showing you that here. And then kind of to finish it up, I have this Tweedia flower. This is from the Dollar Tree. And then I put a steel pick on each one of these things. It does take a little bit of time to steel pick them, but it really, really helps with your wreath. This boxwood greenery I absolutely love. I get that at Hobby Lobby anytime they have them on sale. So I am just going to hot glue all of this stuff. I did dry, what I mean dry, like I just kind of stuck it in my wreath before I glued it down because I wanted to make sure that I had enough and that it looked really good. I was getting the look that I was going for. So then now I'm just gonna go back in and I'm going to hot glue all of those flowers into it. I always make sure that I know where I started so that way when I go back around, that's where I stopped. I added some Tweedia to the burlap and the gingham bow. I just love how that just, that gives it that softness. And I know I keep saying love a lot, but I'm tempted to keep this for myself. I just love how it turned out, and I will be making more. If you make this, please share it in my Country Charm community over on Facebook. Tag me on Instagram, or I would love to see a picture, guys. Thank you so much for your support and for liking the video, and leave me a comment, and we will talk to you soon, and God bless.